are for our day 2 of our Labor Day weekend season finale race here at Diamond Mountain Speedway. And the track actually looks good to go. Do some quick mud pack to hot laps, looking pretty good. It's actually a little after, a little less than the normal hour that I do. Running a little behind today, but we got a few more cars, so that's a good thing. And it looks like it should be a little bit cooler, just a couple degrees, but still warm, low 90s today. So you can see the Marson race team there. A few more there. There was nothing there yesterday. I don't know if they've already done the drivers meeting or what. See, that's how you teach kids to drive. Get them out here and let them try. Nice little lineup of cars there. Modified, IMCA, Mini. And they're modified down there. So we got a few going. Definitely more than we did yesterday. We got some Eatons down here again. So where we got the food from today?
Alpaca tacos.
Alrighty, go check them out. I think I kind of caught them off guard yesterday. But I need that kind of lift at home. That make working on the cars at home a lot easier. A couple over there. Couple of street stocks. Got Pizza Man Jeff 2. Galen Hainline. Both of them are running pretty good. I think Jeff actually got, second. I could be mistaken. I think he got second last night. Thank you and shout out to the fire crews. Come here and help keep us safe in case there's a little more dire of emergency than a little fender bender. For the speeds that they go and everything that happens, these cars are actually surprisingly safe. I've actually seen several at this track, Diamond Mountain Speedway. I have actually seen several over the years that they actually rolled over and kept racing later that night, that same night they kept racing. So these cars are a lot stronger, a lot more durable than what people realize. When they can be beating and banging and bouncing off each other, roll over, pound a little bit, and back out going again. And that's part of what makes it so fun, because you can do it. And besides, if you really break parts, which yeah, it does happen, but a lot of it's just fender benders. Because most of it's just sheet metal, so it's easy. Sneak up here. Backside of 3 and 4. We We had a couple cars that kind of came off over here last night. Nothing really too drastic. One car did come over. Actually, we'll look at that. One car did come over and actually hit the tires over here. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm 90% positive I saw that car, that they're back tonight. So they apparently were not hurt that badly. We'll see if we can tell which tire they hit. Oh, I'm gonna guess it's that one. Yeah. I think that's the one that he hit. And that's not a small tire either. Okay. I'm 6 foot. Without changing it, I'm 6 foot. Leaning against it. So yeah, and that it's moved solid 8 inches, 10 inches maybe. So yeah, everything I heard, he was good. I don't know if I'm pretty sure he walked away or maybe rode in it to go back, but yeah, so fun night. So stay tuned as they come out over the week, and the ones from today will actually be releasing next week. So comment down below if you guys want to see something different or change, or if you guys have suggestions or ideas, because I'm open to trying to change and trying to get this channel to grow and to get bigger. So if you guys have ideas, yeah, I do want to try to get a drone and use that, but with my vision, that's the way to do it. With my vision, I'm kind of leery about trying that. But if somebody would want to partner up with me to do some drone footage, then I would be open to that. If drivers wanted to start getting a hold of me for in-car footage, could start getting some of that published on there as well. So I actually want to see about doing more with the channel. I want to see about doing like maybe once or twice a month, go and see about using my PlayStation and live streaming a game that I'm playing, a racing game, car game like Gran Turismo, something like that. And you guys can come in, hang out, talk, chit chat, catch up with other people, and just hang out. Also want to see about doing some RC stuff, radio control cars, mainly like the hobby grade, just because they're going to be more durable. They're going to be able to do some of the bigger stuff that we like to do and are fun to do. Wow, my hair is flying away. But I really want to go and see about getting a bunch of people together and running some RCs here at the track during the intermission. And so what we would try to do would be to run down on the infield down in there, and we'd be able just to run the RC cars all together. So anyways, these are just some of the ideas that I've got. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think, give me some ideas. I want to try doing some stuff, expanding the channel, doing more, getting you guys more involved. Heck, there's a chance, could maybe even get some of the drivers to participate and do some of this stuff. So never know. So anyways, comment down below, stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Keep them shiny side up. See ya.